Hi, this is John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to make a pyramid that actually erupts. The reason why I made this erupting pyramid is as a proof of concept. I wanted to make of an exploding volcano, but with all the mesh issues I've been having, just because of the technology this stuff is at, I decided to make sure it works in the first place. So I made a real simple primitive with a pyramid, and with this I can test to make sure that the eruption will actually work, and then I can work through all the headaches that are involved with clearing up the mesh that will make the volcano, which will show up in a few videos from now. Well, I haven't done this before. What I have here is a packet of dried yeast. This is basically what you use for cooking when you're making bread. So let's put it inside. I put this over a towel just because I don't know what will happen. So let's fill it up. So all the dried yeast is there, and what I have here is hydrogen peroxide. Now you could do this with baking soda and vinegar, or you can do it with menthol and Coke, but let's try this. Let's shake it up. And we have an erupting pyramid. So this proves that if I make an erupting volcano, it will work and actually looks pretty good. I guess the only change I would do is add some red dye to it. I didn't know it would be white. That's why I didn't do it in the first place. Because I was scared if I had red and you have purple, it kind of looks odd. So it's perfect. The way I built it, I have a little bit of a pressure buildup, and as you saw, it came out nicely. Very simple, but suffice it to say, it takes about 5 hours to print with my cube. Now the volcano one that I'm working on, that one is up towards to 12 to 15 hours to print. Again, complexity is free with a 3D printer, but when you have an extrusion 3D printer, complexity takes longer to print. That's what I've found in general. I hope you enjoyed this project. You can find it at CNCKing.com, and I'll see you in the next video.
Come on, baby girl, let's get it going on. I'ma hit the highway and do it my way. It ain't no game, girl, so I don't play games. I keep it up straight, right up in your face. So make your mind up, cause life is too short. I got the vest on, boy, put your belt on. Stop acting all cool like Kanye West. You be riding through the wire, and the time I get on fire. You the one that no, I don't want that, no. This goes up between some chicks so slow. Hit the backseat when you're doing the licking, kissing, squeezing. Do the damn thing, man.